Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to clear entire cache on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the settings button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Scroll down to data and storage and click on the first option, storage usage. Scroll down to the bottom and here you can find the clear entire cache option. Tap on it, tap on clear. As you can see, it is being cleared and now you can see that the storage is cleared. All media can be re-downloaded from the Telegram cloud if you need them again. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.